Okay. The main idea of phonics is to make the child read. Okay. The session that Meena ma'am now going to take will tell you how you have to learn phonics and what are the benefits of phonics. So she will explain you. She has made a beautiful presentation. She will make you understand what this is all about. That's point number one. Point number two, certain instructions. Parents, please keep the mics mute. I know, we don't normally believe in telling the child not to talk. But being in online platform, the trouble is that, the other person should also hear. So if one person is going to make noise and the other person is getting disturbed, somebody is connecting from their hometown. Some people have connected through their mobile data. So, there are so many technical aspects in it. So, people might find it difficult if someone is going to talk and others are not going to hear. So please see to it that, you keep your mics off. 1. 2, please write the child's name on the chat window because we know, we will, every individual coordinator will take their attendances. But still, if somebody hasn't known, somebody is new to us, we know some people, we called out some names, we could see some of our own children, some of the children who are known to us from the family, friends, and another circle. But somebody who's not known to us, we will not be able to mark the attendance because most of the display name are the parents' name I could see here. So it will be difficult for them to mark the attendance. So please write the child's name on the chat box. This is instruction number 1. Instruction number 2 is to keep the mics mute. Instruction number 3, if you have any questions, please keep a paper and pen with you. Okay, note it down. And there is a separate Q&A session we have planned for. Please ask your questions at that session so that the presenter will be able to answer all your queries. And we have a content prepared and that can't be disturbed. When a question arises, normally that the discussion can be a bit elongate. So, let us not disturb the session from her. So please keep a paper and pen. If you have any doubts, please note it down. We welcome all your doubts. We are willing to answer you. If you think you have any doubt, with whom you have contacted, please call the individual coordinators. They will be able to guide you better. I once again welcome you all for this phonics session from Team Playworkz. And now I hand over the session to Meena Kumari. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Dharani. Happy morning, everyone. So welcome everyone to this phonics session, and thanks for joining the workshop. So as Dharani told, few ground rules. So I request all the parents to be in mute mode, and so we are having the separate question and answer session soon after the workshop, the presentation. So if you have any doubts, you can ask the question at that time. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. Just few seconds.